Guys, are you having a problem of hormonal imbalance? So this video is for you. All I want you to do is to watch this video from the beginning to the end so that you can get the full gist. Let's do this. Yeah. Hi guys, how you all are doing? You're all welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time here, please don't forget to subscribe, turn on your post notifications so that you'll not miss any of my video. Guys, you are all welcome. Thank you for your support. Thank you for always clicking on my video to watch. Guys, please, whenever you are watching my video, please guys, I'm begging you guys, please don't skip my ad. It means a whole lot to me, and as you do that, God will bless you. Okay guys, please support my channel in any way you can. Share my video guys, join my membership. Okay, so let's get right into today's video. Yes, are you tired of moving from one hospital to another because of hormonal imbalance? Mariam Lamzy got your cover. Move no more, go no more. Okay, say no to them. I'm here to share some special tips, another mind-blowing tips that you can use in taking care of yourself at the comfort of your home. Say no to hormonal imbalance, okay? All you need to do is to watch this video from the beginning to the end to get the full gist, okay? So that is what you need. Say no to hormonal imbalance. So let's do this and come and thank me in the comment section. Let's go, yes. Guys, on this video, okay, this hormonal imbalance, all you need to know will be in the description box. In case you feel like I did not explain it the way you want, go to my description box and get the full gist. Guys, the English did not matter. The English did not matter at all here. All the things that matters is the thing that I'm telling you now. All you need to do to get the full gist, to get the bountiful result, that's what matters, okay? Forget about the pronunciation, forget about the English, forget about everything. Go to my description box, okay? Everything will be there. Thank you, and let's do this. Yeah. So guys, number one tips that you need to work on. Ask yourself, you are suffering from hormonal imbalance, right? Hormonal imbalance, that is what you are suffering from, okay? That is what is disturbing you, right? How is your protein life? How is your protein life? Ask yourself. Consume a lot of protein. Okay, you are suffering from this hormonal imbalance. That does not mean that you should not eat protein. Watch the kind of food you eat, okay? So eating or consuming enough protein, it is going to help you like magic. Do this, watch the way you eat, and come and thank me later. That is the first tip that you need to do. Okay guys, the second tip that you need right now, the second thing that you are going to do for me, engage yourself in regular exercise. Go out for exercise. Don't just eat and stay one place, because by doing that, your blood is not going to flow through your vein and all of that, so that you will not have the story of indigestion. Okay guys, it is not good. Your health is your greatest wealth. Take care of your health. Guys, let me shock you. The major benefit of you going for exercise is to reduce the insulin level and increase the insulin sensitivity. Yes, if I did not pronounce it well, I'll leave the full pronunciation on the screen, okay? Sensitivity. Okay, so by so doing that, it is going to help you like magic. Okay, do that and come and thank Mariam Lamzy in the comment section. Yes. So guys, the next tips on my list is decrease your sugar intake. Reduce it. Stop eating too much sugar. Stop eating too much sugar. It's not good for you. Nobody is saying you should not eat sugar, but reduce the way you eat sugar. Okay? If you are having hormonal imbalance, and you are taking too much sugar, it's not going to help you. Okay? Reduce it, and it is going to work for you like magic. See, there are some things you need to do. It's not when you begin to take drugs here and there. There are some simple things. There are some simple things that we are doing that we are not supposed to do them. some little mistake, it is going to cause a whole lot of things to our body, and we ourselves, we don't even know it. Stop it, and it is going to help you. Okay, your health is your greatest wealth. Your health matters a lot. It matters to your family. It matters to people around you. Okay, so when you do it, God is going to heal you. Okay, the next thing on my list here is get a consistent high quality sleep. Yeah, sleep matter a lot. Don't overwork yourself. There is time for you to sleep, you are still pressing your phone. Leave your body to rest. Like, go and sleep. At least if you are not sleeping, just rest. Your bone need it. Okay, have a good quality sleep. It is going to help you. Like I said earlier, there are some little things we commonize it, and we don't even know that thing is affecting us indirectly. Okay, so do this and you will have bountiful results. Okay guys, the last on my list is follow a high fiber diet. Eat a lot of fiber. Let me also tell you, eating a lot of fiber, guys, it is going to increase your insulin sensitivity. Eating that, it is going to help you a lot. Consume a lot of fiber. Okay guys, so guys, if you find this video very interesting, guys, please give it a huge thumbs up. Share this video, like this video, thumbs up this video. All join. It's the same English, guys. Please guys, join my membership. Support my channel in any way you can. Thank you so much for staying to this moment. Subscribe, and like I always said on this channel, Mariam, Lamzy prescribe and God do the healing. If you follow all these things that I've just listed, a few tips, God is going to heal you. I prescribe and God Almighty do the healing. Okay guys, see you in my next one. Bye bye.